Hey guys, Trey with Native American Ways. I'm going to show you how I reverse twist rope or twine, anything to that nature. Anyway, I use a slick bark tree, the sapling actually. The reason is because the fibers are a lot closer together, and it seems that you can make a smaller rope that's twice as strong. Now, I'll split it down the length that I want to go, and then I'll come back with the back side of my knife, and I'll just kind of just peel it out right here, like this right here. Okay, as I'm working it down, I'll peel it until I get it all the way around to about halfway over here. Then I'll come back here, and I'll actually strip out the center of the tree to where it'll actually peel all the way back. Whenever I'm done, what I'll do is I'll actually take and I'll split it about right there like that, and I'll just kind of work it down. Okay. Now, this is a good usable piece right here. And all this is good usable pieces. My knife's not very sharp. The reason is because I don't want to cut my fibers. I just want to scrape off the bark. I'll keep the bark over here in a pile as I'm doing it. The reason being is because once I'm finished, that tinder will be dry enough to actually be able to use for starting fires. And it's a real fine fibers. Now, see, I've got this section right here. I'll do the same thing with this section over here. I'll just peel that bark off. As I'm doing this, I'm trying to keep it as uniform as I can, and if any of the fibers get snagged out, I'll peel them out. I kind of process it similar to the way that you'd actually process sinew. I've got a little wider spot right here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the knife and just kind of stick it in to the widest part of it, and just kind of peel them fibers back right here. Okay. This right here can be used as fishing line later, so don't toss that. I mean, all you got to do is just twist it up. Twist it like right there. You got some really strong fishing line. And then, if you really want to make it stronger, all you do is just the same way I do with a bigger rope, is just keep twisting it, and then let it just twist on itself there. I mean, and then as it's twisting on itself, it'll actually twist up in there. And then once you get it done, you just kind of just keep working it. Work it as it dries, just like you would tanning a hide. Just break it in there, let it fiber together. That's a strong fishing line right there. I mean, that'd probably pull in, a nice sized fish. But you just keep twisting it. We'll set this over here to the side. Just kind of keep twisting it right here. Get it started real good. what I like to do is just kind of just with my finger, just work it this way right here. And I'm just twisting it as it comes through. It's twisting up. Okay. Now set that to the side. Do the same thing with this right here. Just kind of twist it up. It's flat back here, but it's coming out twisted, so just twist it real tight right here. Alright. I just tie it off into a little knot. Now, what I'll do is I'll actually tie a knot right here. Right there. And I hold it in between my legs right here, like this. And then I'm twisting. Kind of twist it, break it around a little bit. Oh, had a weak spot right there. That's okay though. Just add a little bit more to it. Because whenever I get done, I'm gonna test it anyway. And if it's not to the strength that I want, all I would do is just make a few of these layers and do the same thing, just twist them together. And I'll show you what I'm talking about in just a second. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of cut these sections right here off. That. I just kind of work it around here, twist it. Now, I'll just kind of bring it out here and just let it twist around itself right there. Now, see, it's naturally wanting to twist up, so I'll just kind of just tighten it up here like this. Now I can actually just keep twisting it a little bit more. If I needed a thicker rope, I would have made it a lot longer. I normally want to go at least 3 times the length that I need a rope. So if I'm going to need a rope, say 10 foot, you want to go around 30 foot. You know, just keep tying your pieces of bark together. And every time, just twist it. Okay, and once you twist it, and then let's say this right here is not going to be enough for you. All you do is just keep twisting. Just keep twisting your rope. And if you have to, the further you get off, take this section, put it around put it in between the fork of a tree, and then tie this other section to it, and just kind of just keep twisting it, and walking back, just kind of working it back and forth, and let it break. But once you get it to the length that you want it, just keep twisting it, and you'll see how tight these little twists get. Well, then all you have to do is just walk into it again, and guess what you just done? And then you just kind of just let it twist up on itself right there again. Now, that rope right there, I promise you, that little bit of rope right there, you're not going to break it. Well, the reason that broke is because it was back here. But I'm talking about this rope right here that I just made. Now, that rope right there, you can see my fingers on these. But all you do is just keep twisting it, and then hold it back here to the back, and then just let it twist up on itself. It'll naturally twist up, and I mean, look how tight that twist is right there. You know, and this right here's the back side that broke a while ago, right here. This is the strands right here that broke a while ago, right there. All right, but now what's this? All I got to do is just get a little bit more twist right there. Now, I mean, how much tighter can you get on rope? And I promise you that method right there will be just as strong as you need it. And if you need it stronger, I mean, like I say, just if you do your test run, and if that strand right there is not thick enough for you, then if you need a 10-foot section, do 40 feet. You know, I mean, you just keep twisting it, and you may have to have a partner to help you. You may have to have a partner to help you, but I mean, your rope will keep getting tighter and thicker, but it'll also get stronger. I mean, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but it almost looks braided in there. And then what I like to do is after my ropes, as long as I've got it, I'll come back and I'll just kind of work it, just kind of break it in there like I was talking about with this little section a while ago, right here. You just kind of just keep working it, and all you're doing is making it soft. You may have a few fibers come out. That's okay. Just kind of keep working it. Once you've got it as long as you want it and as thick as strong as you want it, And what you're doing is you'll notice as you're doing it, the fibers will start loosening up. Well, I mean, okay, now watch this. I'm going to untwist it. But now watch. It's just wanting to twist right back together, So, I mean, but I found that that's the easiest way to do a reverse twist. Maybe this video helped you. If it did, please subscribe. Again, I'm from Native American Ways. If you know where we're at, awesome. If you don't, check us out. We're on Facebook. We do a lot of stuff like this. Thanks.